Hi, I'm Alan Diwan and I'm making a very traditional dish today called keema mirch. Keema means minced meat, and I've got some beautiful lamb minced meat here today. And mirch actually in our language means chili, but in this instance we're not going to use, we're going to add chili to it, but that's not where the mirch word is coming from. It's coming from capsicum or bell peppers, and this is also it is from the chili family. This doesn't have that heat, but this is called Shimla mirch in our language. So we've got the mirch, the capsicum, and the minced meat. A fantastic combination. The flavors are amazing. I'm sure you're going to enjoy this recipe. Do watch till then. Now for my keema mirch, the minced meat with the capsicum, I need to make a masala first. So for my masala, I'm going to heat some oil in a pan, and we are going to use some whole spices. Now the whole spices I'm using are some cumin seeds and some coriander seeds and some black pepper, which I have already used a mortar and pestle to slightly make a powder out of it, because otherwise it's going to be too strong or it's going to give that bite in the mouth. So we are going to heat this up in a medium heat until the aromas from the spices come out, and then we are going to add the next ingredient. So the next step is now adding our onions to the spices and to the hot oil, and now we want to caramelize the onions until we get a nice brown, golden brown color on them. You really want to caramelize the onions to get that sweetness, that natural sweetness from the onions. Now once my onions are being nicely caramelized, I will add some garlic to it. Garlic imparts a fantastic flavor, but you want to make sure the garlic is nicely chopped, and also that the garlic has been nicely cooked with the onions, because we don't want to get that flavor of the raw garlic in our minced meat. It has to be nicely cooked through. So the heat in the dish is going to come from chilies, and I'm using some fresh green chilies. Now the flavor of the green chili is really amazing. I want to chop it really small, because when you want to eat that minced meat, you want to taste the flavor of the chili in the background, but it's a little bit uncomfortable if you really bite on a big piece of chili and you start to sweat. So just to make sure that you just get the flavor of the chili and not any uncomfortableness, make sure that it's nicely finely chopped and then cooked in the masala. Fresh ginger, my goodness, that always does the trick for me. I really love the flavor of the fresh ginger. It adds a slight bit of kick as well, but that freshness that you get, that taste that you get, it really this is something, if it's not a very big chunk and you bite on it, really gives you that nice flavor. And we want to cook this with our masala as well, and then we are going to add our tomatoes. So my masala is being cooked. Now I want to add some spices. We're going to add some salt, some turmeric powder, some chili powder, and some curry powder, and we want to mix it really well. Now that the masala is being nicely cooked and that tomatoes have really integrated into our onion sauce, we will add our minced meat, and we want to make sure the minced meat is really cooked nicely, thoroughly. Now that my keema is coming along, I want to add a little bit of yogurt. Yogurt will give that extra creaminess to my keema and also will mellow down the chili a little bit, giving it that nice overall balanced flavor. Also adds a little bit of that sourness which we also want. Now I've got some fenugreek leaves over here. I've cut my capsicum or bell peppers as well. Now we are going to add both of this to our keema, and basically the keema or the minced meat is ready. We just want to make sure the bell peppers are cooked through, and that's about it. Very simplistic and a very nice meal. So my keema mirch is ready. Let's go ahead and give it a try. Looks fantastic, looks excellent. Wow, that lamb is so flavorful, and that sweetness, that natural sweetness coming from the bell pepper is fantastically goes well with this with the meat. So the combination is fantastic. The taste is perfect, and there's a spiciness, all that nice kick to it. So I hope you are going to you've liked this recipe and you are going to give it a try as well. So do give us a thumbs up as well, and do share it with others as well. Thank you very much.